Hello there, and welcome back to the channel where we're taking a deep dive into the world of programming. In today's video, we'll be talking about Python dictionary. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a Python dictionary, how to access values, how to get keys, and how to modify your dictionary values to add and to remove items from your Python dictionary. And also, will solve some problems in Python dictionary. So if you're ready, let's get started. Welcome again. My name is Fumi from Bird Media, and today we're talking about Python dictionary. We're using the Jupyter Notebook as always. You can get the Jupyter Notebook from birdmedia.com/Python tutorial. So first, what are Python dictionary? A dictionary is a built-in data type in Python that allows you to store and retrieve data using key value pairs. And it's also known as arrays, hash, or a table, or simply a map. And dictionary are unordered and they are mutable, meaning you can add, you can remove, you can update, you can change their content even after creation. So let's create a dictionary. You can create the dictionary using two methods. You can use a curly braces or a dict constructor. I'll show you how to use both methods to create a dictionary. So first, using the curly braces, we have a student, you have a list of students, and then you want to like put them in a dictionary. So you have their names, age, and the major. So this is what makes a dictionary: the key, which is the name, and then John, the value. So key value pairs and in a curly braces. So then if a print small letter print student, and if we run this, we have created a dictionary. The second method is to use the dict constructor. So using the dict constructor, we have this. So you have dict and then you specify your key value pairs. We want to create a dictionary of name, John, age, and then the major computer science. So if I print student and then run this, I have my dictionary. So these are the two methods of creating the dictionary. You use comma separated key value pairs. So our key value pairs are separated by a comma within the curly braces. Or we use the dict constructor. We have our key is equal to our value separated by a comma and then in a bracket, and then we get our Python dictionary. The next task is to access the dictionary values. And you can access like the dictionary values. Dictionary values, I mean, if you want to get the name, the value of the name, which is John, or the age, the value of the age 21, or computer science, if you want to extract it from your dictionary. And then there are two methods. You can use your square bracket or you can use the get method. But if the key is not found, you will get a key error. You get an error letting you know that it's not found. So now I want to access the name, keep the key value name from my dictionary. So then I would print first my variable, which is student, and then in a square bracket, and then I have name. So this simply means I want to print out the name of the student, the name of the student. And then when I run, I get John, which is the value of my key. The same way if I want to print the age of the student, and then I'm printing the age, and then we get the age. But what if I want to print something like city? We do not have city there, just to show you the error of if we don't have the key. And there you see we get the error because we do not have city in our dictionary. Change it back to age and run this, and then we get the age. So this is how you get the age, the access the values of a dictionary using the square brackets. But what if you want to use the get method? And then I would have print student, my variable, dot get, and then my bracket, I want to get the major. And then when I run this, see we get the major. So these are the two methods to access the dictionary values. We're accessing the values of our key. So student, the age of the student, the name of the student, the age of the student, and the other method is using the get method. We're trying to get the major of the student. And still on trying to access elements of our dictionaries, we have the get keys and the get values. Using the get keys, the keys method, you want to return a list of all the keys in your dictionary. So you want to return name, age, and major. While for the get value, you want to return a list of all the values in your dictionary. So John 21 and computer science. So this is how you do it. So I have my variable equals to student dot keys, and then if I print out hex dot keys, then you get your list of all the keys in your dictionary. Similarly for values, let me copy this and paste this. I want for values, and then when I run this, yes, see, I get the values John 21 and computer science. So, this is how, if you want to return the list of all your values or all your keys from your dictionary, this is how you do it. The next thing we would like to do is to modify our dictionary values. That's the thing about Python dictionary. You can modify your values after the dictionary has been created. So you can specify the key and then assign a new value to it. So yeah, we have the same dictionary that we've been using. If I would like to modify the age, John's age, I can just say student, my square bracket, and then what I want to modify is the h, and then equals to 22. And also, what if I want to modify John's major? And then I put student, my square bracket, major. And let's say John now studies data science. So my data science is a string. So data science. Now let me print my new dictionary. Student. What you'll see is that the age and the major of John would be replaced by the new values that we've given it. So if I run this, so now you see John is now 22 years old and he now majors in data science. That's how you modify dictionary terms, by specifying your dictionary, the key you would like to modify, and then your new value. You get a new dictionary. And finally, I want to show you how you can add and remove items to your dictionary. You have your dictionary, you can always add new items to it by assigning a value to a new key. So if we're adding new items to our dictionary, then I would have student. If I want to write the country that John is from, and then I'll write country. And let's say John is from Germany. So Germany. And then if I print student again, we see that this would add country to our dictionary. So when I run this, we see that country has been added to it. So what if I want to delete from my dictionary? So let's have student equals to, then I copy the dictionary, the new dictionary that we have. Now I would like to delete John's age because it's no longer needed. So delete student age. And now if I print student, we would not see John's age anymore. So I run this and you see John's age is gone. There are also other ways you can do this by using pop. So let's use pop to delete the H instead of using del. So student dot pop and then H. I would like to pop the H and then print student. And if we run this, the age is gone. So here you see it is easier to add new items to your dictionary, and you can also delete items or pop items depending on what you prefer. So that's it about dictionary. What you notice about dictionary, that in our dictionary we can have different types of variables. We can have so string, different types of data types. We can have a string, we can have an integer, we can have booleans, we can have floats. It does not matter. We can have different things in our dictionary. So in this tutorial, we've learned how to create a dictionary, how to access our dictionary values, how to get a list of all our keys and our values, and also how to modify and how to add and remove items. So that's it for these tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.